Take a deep breath. Inhale creativity. Exhale resistance. Welcome to this gentle healing journey for your sacral chakra. As you listen to the sounds of 417 Hz, allow yourself to soften. Let your emotions rise like waves and pass like clouds. You are safe to feel. You are safe to express. I honor my emotions and allow them to flow freely. I am in touch with my body and my sensuality. I deserve pleasure in all areas of my life. I embrace my creativity with confidence and joy. I am open to joy, fun, and emotional expression. My relationships are based on mutual respect and love. I release guilt and welcome passion. I trust my feelings and follow my intuition. My desires are sacred. I express myself freely and with ease. I am a creative being with unlimited potential. I allow myself to enjoy the present moment. I radiate warmth and emotional balance. I honor my boundaries and those of others. I flow with life like water, flexible, strong, and free. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel the orange light glowing in your lower abdomen, balanced and open. You are flowing. You are worthy. You are whole. When you are ready, gently return to the space around you.